Aspirin for breast cancer. Here is a quick summary about the trial. This trial will study whether aspirin can help prevent breast cancer from coming back after chemotherapy, surgery, and/or radiation therapy. Here is the timeline for this study. Screen will take approximately 3 weeks to see if you qualify. Timeline for the treatment varies by patient. After you enter the trial, you will be asked to share data with the trial for a total of 5 years. Who is eligible to participate in the trial? To qualify, a few things must be true for you. You must have the following. Patients with a prior history of gastric/duodenal ulcers documented on endoscopy can be enrolled as long as the ulcers did not cause bleeding requiring a blood transfusion/major intervention. For patients who are Helicobacter pylori positive, a course of Helicobacter pylori eradication treatment must have been completed. No history of gastrointestinal bleeding, GI, bleeding requiring a blood transfusion, endoscopic or operative intervention. No history of any prior stroke, hemorrhagic or ischemic. No concurrent anticoagulation with warfarin or heparin/heparin analogues, clopidogrel, oral direct thrombin inhibitors, or direct factor SAR inhibitors. No history of grade 4 hypertension, defined as hypertension resulting in life-threatening consequences, for example, malignant hypertension, transient or permanent neurologic deficit, hypertensive crisis. Now, let's talk more about the treatment. There are a total of 2 treatment groups including 1 experimental group. There are no active control groups in this trial. There is 1 placebo group. Patients who enter this trial have a 50% chance of receiving the study drug. There are 3 notable highlights for this trial. 1. Approved for 10 other conditions. This treatment demonstrated efficacy for 10 other conditions. 2. Pivotal trial. The final step before approval, pivotal trials feature drugs that have already shown basic safety and efficacy. 3. All individual drugs already approved. Therapies where all constituent drugs have already been approved are likely to have better understood side effect profiles. Where is the study being run? This trial is enrolling patients across 918 locations, including Novi, Michigan, St. Paul, Minnesota, Great Falls, Montana. Here is more information about the study. Here are a few interesting facts about the participants. Of all patients applying to this trial, 100% received no prior treatment. Did you know that of the previous patients applying to this trial, 100% are between 18 and 65 years old? For patients who have previously applied to this trial, 40% live in Indiana, 20% live in New York, 20% live in Kentucky, and 20% live elsewhere. Discover more information about the trial and apply through our website at www.withpower.com.